In your chemistry class, your teacher has created an assignment that you're going to be working through independently, and it was created in the form of a OneNote notebook. You're going to be trying to escape the OneNote notebook by figuring out questions to problems and entering those as passwords to unlock each room. In order to open the OneNote notebook, you're going to find a link inside of your notebook. When you find that link, go ahead and click the link. Once you click on the link, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks something like this, and it lets you know that it's your 2018 Chemistry Summer Assignment. Go ahead and click the blue Open button. When you see the pop-up come up, make sure Open with Microsoft OneNote is selected and go ahead and click OK. You will then see a gray box pop up that says Unpack the Notebook. What this is going to do is it's going to create an additional notebook under your bookshelf. So right now the notebook is going to be named 2018 Chemistry Summer Assignment. The only thing you need to do is then click Create. OneNote will work to unpack it, and once it fully loads, you'll see that that new notebook is in your bookshelf. So this is your chemistry notebook from your regular class, and now this is the summer assignment notebook. You will notice when you go to rooms 1, 2, and 3, they are all unlocked. In order to enter a password to unlock it, you're going to have to solve the problem on each of the pages. I hope that helps you all figure out how to open your notebook and enjoy the experience.